everybody, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, order now, and you'll get this pretty fast. We got Prime Day sales going on all week, so check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like it, like I said, add it to your cart now, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. I can't believe it's here already. Prime Day sales. And we got Santa Claus will be here shortly, so might want to start looking now for that gift. Could be a birthday gift or a just because gift, or a gift to yourself. And we have here coming from JeeCoo, my good friends over there. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. Compatible with PC, PS4, PS5, laptops, 2.0 channel stereo gaming speakers, M40, JeeCoo. Got a little switch right there. Pulsing flame. Immersive gaming audio, USB powered, 3.5. Oh, that's what it does. Looks pretty cool. A volume adjuster dial volume plus minus mode. Bluetooth connection, so you can use it for your Bluetooth. Yeah, you can hook this up pretty much everything now. Seems like. There we go. It's gonna look like when you get it. There's a module right there. Alright, everything's out. Oh yeah, we got bubble wrap. Here we go, JeeCoo. Got the manual. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Got the flames. Could be fire. Whoa. Look at this thing. Kind of looks like an Atari. Old school days. Or like a trackball mouse. Oh man, where is end of this? You never know. But we are in full swing holiday mode. And definitely it's going to be an interesting one to see what's coming around this year. 2024 is almost here, guys. It's crazy. This year's zooming by now. Oh yeah, there's a lot of wire. Got a lot of wire. I'm not going to use it all. But we got this. Yeah, on and off. Flame. Volume. I like this though. It's pretty cool. Got the non-slip guards. Speakers are really lightweight, so nice design on the front. Put them up right second. Oh yeah. Like I said, it's Bluetooth and everything, so you name it, this will connect to. It's always good to have extra surround sound speakers. So it probably lights up in here. But yeah, this is definitely a nice setup. We're going to test this out in about 2 seconds. They got the non-slip guards right there. We got the USB and the audio jack right there. So it's easy connection. Bada boom, bada bing. Where did I get this? There's a slip guard right there. Really nice. I wonder if that lights up LED, RGB. So you got those there. Here's the back. Oh yeah, super lightweight. No problems. There we go. But definitely a nice design. I like it. Definitely gonna plug it in right about now. Alright guys, look at this. Just plugged it in USB. I didn't plug in the audio, so we're going to do the Bluetooth. But it pops up right there. And all you got to do is hit this button. Oh, it's gonna send a signal to it and search. Look at that. And this is Bluetooth or RGB. Really cool. You can switch. Oh yeah. You can see right there it's still glowing. Time to test it out. Connect. There we go. We are locked and loaded. It's called M40, like it says on the box. So once you blow up your Bluetooth menu, that will pop up. And now we're going to do copyrighted. Hold on. Here we go. I'm going to shut the lights off in a second. I want you to say, whoa. I can switch back and forth. I want you to say, I want you to say. Sounds really good. Let me shut off the lights. Really clear. Excellent. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. There's the flame mode. I want you to stay. Alright guys, check them out. JeeCoo. You guys be safe. Get some good deals this week, man. Pick it up. Stocking stuffers, you name it. They got it. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you, but that you pulled me through. I give it
till you come to